Hi, let's solve next previous question of contextual language TOC. This question was asked in GATE CS 2020, question number 10. Let's read the question. Consider the language L equal to A power n greater than equal to 0, union A power n, B power n greater than equal to 0, and the following statement. First statement, L is a deterministic context free. Second statement, L is context free but not deterministic context free. Third statement, L is not LLK for any k. Which of the above statement is or are true? Let me first design a PDF for this language. Now I am just designing PDF for this. A power n, B power n greater than equal to 0. Let me consider a string 2a, 2b, and this is a stack. Topmost stack symbol is Z0. Now there will be initial state, and by seeing input alphabet A and topmost stack symbol Z0, it will push A above Z0. Now for this A, it will push. Then for input alphabet A and topmost stack symbol is A, it will push A above A. Next for B, it will pop A from this stack. So for B, we go to another state by popping A. B, A tends to epsilon means for input alphabet B, A will be popped. There may be more B. For that, we'll just make a self loop and we'll write B. A tends to epsilon means for B it will pop A. For next B it will pop next A. Now there is epsilon and topmost stack symbol is Z0. It will simply skip and go to final state. Now this is a PDA for A power n, B power n. PDA can accept in two ways. One is by empty stack mechanism, another is final state mechanism. Empty stack mechanism means whenever you will empty the stack, it will accept the string. If you are writing epsilon, then Z0 tends to epsilon means you are empty the stack, then it will accept. You don't need to raise any final state. And final state mechanism, whenever there is final state, whether stack is empty, stack is not empty, whatever in the stack, it will accept. So what we will do for accepting A power n greater than 0, we'll simply change state A to final state. So after this, it will accept any number of A. There are two final state. A will accept any number of A and C will accept equal number of A followed by equal number of B. And this PDA is a DPDA, as for same input alphabet and same topmost stack symbol, there is just one transition. First statement, it is a deterministic context free. Yes, true. This is a deterministic context free language, as you can design a DPDA for this. Then second statement, L is context free but not deterministic context free. This is a deterministic context free. Due to this not deterministic context free, this will be false. L is a deterministic context free language, so context free language. Due to this not, it is false. Next, L is not LLK for any k. This is from compiler. This question is mixed from TOC and compiler. So for LL1, it should be free from left factoring and left recursion. What is left factoring? There should not be any common prefix. We should remove the common prefix, that is left factoring. The language is union of two languages which have common prefixes, so it is not LL1. For example, AA belongs to this language, then AABP. Now common prefix is AA. Here also common prefix is 3A. And whenever there is some common prefix is present, we have to remove that common prefix before doing LL1. That is called as left factoring. Common prefix is not removed, that's why it is not LL1. Also, it is not LLK. LLK parser cannot parse it by using any look ahead case symbol. So statement 1 is true, statement 3 is true, statement 2 is false. Now check in which option 1 and 3 is present. In option C, 1 and 3 is present. So answer will be option C, 1 and 3 only. Thank you.